Welcome to our monthly Drone News Express. So for the month of October, the top 20 news are: after the launch of Swamitva scheme on 24th April, under which 1 lakh village properties were to be mapped by drones, and so for the first phase on October 8, 2020, Prime Minister Narendra Modi handed over physical copies of property titles of their homes and the surrounding areas to around 1,32,000 landowners across 763 villages. Hyderabad headquartered TQ Search Services, a Tata Group company, has become India's first third-party certification body for drones on October 1, 2020. The approval came after a thorough evaluation process by the Quality Council of India in line with the DGCA guidelines. Two more organizations, namely Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Udan Academy and Global Connect Aviation Services Private Limited, got the conditional exemption from DGCA regarding drone pilot training. Hazard identification and risk management workshop focusing on the BVLOS trials that Centennial Consortium will be conducting was organized at the Begumpet Airport, Hyderabad on 27 October by Centennial Networks and Avianco Technology collaboratively in coordination with the local airport and ATM. Out of many significant steps taken by the Ministry of Civil Aviation on October 14, 2020, the drone training got liberalized and the circular for the same was released by DGCA. According to the circular, RPTO approvals can be granted to central or state government or their undertakings or autonomous bodies, government approved universities, DGCA approved FTOs, NSOPS, SOPS, CAR 147, 145 approved organizations, and most importantly, a big relief to all the RPA manufacturers because they can also get RPTO approvals without any hassles. As the DGCA guidelines stated that remotely piloted aircraft systems, unmanned aircraft systems and such flying machines falls under the restricted item category. So on October 17, 2020, an order from the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security stated that drones cannot be carried in cabin baggages on board flights in India, but you can carry them as an checked-in baggage. A powerful pact was signed between Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Udan Academy and Drone Destination to launch drone pilot training courses for aspirant professionals at the former Amethi campus in Uttar Pradesh on 22nd October 2020. Ambition Flying Academy and Pioneer Flying Academy are the first flying schools that have got their TPMs approved by DGCA. Conditional exemption has been provided to NTPC from DGCA for carrying out research and inspection activities at Vidyanchal Super Thermal Power Station, Madhya Pradesh, Gadarwara Super Thermal Power Station, Madhya Pradesh, and Sipat Super Thermal Power Station, Chhattisgarh, using drones. Another small but major steps taken by the Ministry of Civil Aviation authorities by permitting Orissa Mining Corporation Limited to use fixed-wing remotely piloted aircraft system to do the aerial survey of its mines at Doitari, South Kaliapani and Kodingamali. QCI has been successfully awarded the contract for conducting a study of water bodies in the Ganga Basin to get an awareness of the current status of the water bodies on October 1, 2020. QCI is going to conduct a survey under which the water bodies in 5 states will be mapped using drones. Amidst the India and China conflict, India has decided to fast-track a purchase of 30 MQ-9B Sky Guardian drones from the General Atomics, which can be deployed to India's disputed border region with China and significantly expand its surveillance over the area. Indigenously developed drone Rustam 2 by DRDO has successfully tested its flight on Friday, October 9 with a medium altitude long endurance and achieved 8 hours of flying at an altitude of over 16,000 feet at Karnataka's Chitradurga. The drone is expected to achieve 18 hours of continuous flying at a height of 26,000 feet by the end of 2020 itself. Astonishingly, 3 men were caught flying drones near the Rashtrapati Bhavan, out of which one was a minor. According to the Intelligence Bureau and Special Cell, they were shooting for their YouTube channel and was later released on bail without any objections. Collaboration of Maru Drones with PJT SAU on October 8 along with the World Economic Forum and the Telangana Department of Information Technology for gaining SOPs and testing the efficiency of drones in higher crop yields and to decrease the use of pesticides and fertilizers proved to be very effective for agriculture. The Indian Army shot down a Pakistan Army spy quadcopter along the LOC in Keran sector of Jammu and Kashmir at around 8 am on 24th October. For the first time, drones will be seen in Vaishno Devi, which will be used to monitor the Vaishno Devi Yatra. The security in the area has been tightened after receiving the terror input where Pakistan is trying to target the Hindu-dominant areas. By the recent reports, the Delhi-Meerut Regional Rapid Transit System project will be implemented by using drones to gather the required data. An integrated transport plan worked out for the NCR envisages the RRTS, which is supposed to be 3 times faster than metro for connecting regional centers. Conditional exemption has been provided to CEPT University for conducting I-Number project, by which it was allowed to use drones to gather data for a research project about the energy use in the urban areas in Ahmedabad city. One of India's most ambitious aerospace projects, known as the Ghatak, has made a new surprise entry in a video released by IIT Kanpur. The Ghatak is probably the most secretive aircraft project of the Indian government, which is aimed to develop an unmanned stealth, deep penetration strike bomber for the Indian Army forces. That's all we have for this month. Hope you have liked our video. Do leave your feedback in the comment section below. And do not forget to subscribe our Drone Helpline YouTube channel and share our video.